Most chocolate that you've had in your life has an attractive sheen and a satisfying snap when you bite into it. But when you melt that chocolate, it sets up into a blotchy, dull-looking mess that melts really easily on your fingers. Why the big difference? The short answer is that the crystal structure of the cocoa butter in the chocolate has changed. The differences are pretty easy to spot, but the science at work is actually quite complex. When cocoa butter solidifies, it can form any of 6 different types of crystals. Each of these has a different melting point, density, and level of stability. To prevent the kind of problems we just talked about, you want as much of the cocoa butter as possible to form one particular type of crystal called beta crystal. And we want them to be as small as possible, because that way they'll produce chocolate that sets up dense, shiny, and snaps cleanly. So we know that we want beta crystals, but how do we get them? The traditional way to ensure very small beta crystal formation is known as tempering. To temper in the microwave, first, microwave 3/4 of your chocolate chopped into very fine shards, 20 seconds at a time. Stir evenly after each round to help distribute the heat, then check the temperature. When the chocolate is mostly melted and the temperature is between 90 and 92 degrees Fahrenheit, add the remaining chocolate and stir until melted. Return it to the microwave for no more than 5 seconds at a time to complete the melting. While not quite as shiny as traditionally tempered chocolate, this method should produce a nice luster and a decent snap. This method works for a number of reasons. 1. The chocolate doesn't get too hot during melting, which ensures that some of the desirable beta crystals remain intact. 2. The addition of unmelted chocolate has intact beta crystals, which then act as seed crystals to encourage the formation of more beta crystals. I hope this little science lesson and the step-by-step guide will help you have great success in tempering your chocolate.